touchy. It rolls pretty heavily to the left. Just got to get used to it, hey?
Yes, yeah, you do. That heart pumping.
Yeah.
I'm holding a tiger by a tail, and how do I get it? You fly really well.
It just wants to go. I'm holding a tiny bit of down, coming back into the wind there, and it wants to roll to the left. Okay. It's melted. It's just dropping that wing, but it's not a problem. There's that little bit of down trim there. There's a tree there, isn't there? Is there a plane coming in on final? Other way, other way. Yeah. I just saw the flash of white, so I'll stay low.
And there's another one way over, probably over D-Bay at the moment coming.
So what's it like landing?
Yeah, I go too fast. You're at a good speed, so you just let it settle itself down.
What's our battery like on this? Okay, I'll come around one more. Okay, I'll come around and I'll land it towards us. I feel like I'm a little bit high, I'll just go around again. Just turn here. It's going to overrun a bit.
Very nice.
And I down into the ditch.
That's all right.
I've never landed in the ditch before.